First of all, this is a very specific video. It's for people using Micro.blog. Here's a little background. I recently published a conversation I had with Manton, the creator of Micro.blog, and I expressed my desire to have a different organization of the archive page. However, I'm not a developer. I don't know how to code. And the day after I published that video, Otávio, who is also responsible for the incredible Micro Publish plugin, there's also a video about that plugin here in the channel, he created a code and sent me that code to reorganize the page. My goal today is to share an explanation for people like me. I'm not a developer. I don't know how to code. I produce videos, I write articles, and help people with their workflows. That's it. So if I did it, you can do it too. Okay, let's take a look at it. First, make sure you are logged into your account on Micro.blog and go to the design page. Here you'll find the theme you are using. I'm using the Tiny theme. And down here, let's move this a little bit, you'll find custom themes. Custom theme means that you'll be customizing the theme you are using, okay? So here I have some custom themes. This is just an organization thing. I prefer to have a theme for each blog. I have 3 blogs. I have one in English, another one in Portuguese, and this is just a way to guide users to find my Portuguese and English YouTube channels. If you've never used a custom theme, your page will probably look like this. Not, okay? Let me put this back. I don't want to make a mess on my website. What you want to do is click here, Edit Themes. Again, you probably don't have any of this. Just click here, New Theme, and give it a name, whatever name you prefer. I'm going to click here because I already have a theme. And here at the top, under Custom Templates, are the pages I created to customize my blog. Below that, we have the default pages. Okay, so what happens here is when I create a page here, this page will override the pages down here. Let's take a look at this one. Layouts, default, list, archive, HTML. If we go down here, it is here. So this is the default page that comes with the theme. But because I have another one here with the exact same name, Micro.blog will use this one as long as I have this theme applied to my blog, okay? And this is exactly the one we have to change. So let's copy this. If it's your first time, I'm going to copy this. What you have to do is create a new template and give it that name, an update template. I'm not going to do it because I already did that. So I have it here. So let's click here. And this is Otavio's code. And as you can see here in my blog, this is what that code did. It changed the way the categories are organized. And here's the fun part. If I delete this custom template, that's okay because there is the default template and that will start working. So let's do this. I'm going to delete this. It's not here anymore. And if I go to my blog now, you'll see that that list is now back to how it used to be. And this is why I didn't like it. It's a giant list. Okay, so now let's create it again. And this is what you will be doing there. New template, use that address, layouts, just copy and paste the same address. And now we'll use Otavio's code. You find the link to the code in the description below. Let's paste it here. Update template. This sometimes takes a while. Be patient. Let it finish what it has to do. Okay, it just finished updating. And if we reload the page, the categories are back to the customized list. If we go back here, there's our new layouts default list.archive.html file. I mean, this is the hardest part to figure out which is the page that you have to use, but they're kind of self-explanatory. For example, here list, I have here header, head, footer. It's kind of but the last thing you have to make sure is that when you are here at the design page, you have to select the theme you customized and update the blog settings so that Microblog will start to use this custom theme instead of none. Okay, that's it for today. If it was helpful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. But since you are here watching this video, I believe you are a microblog user or maybe an ActivityPub enthusiast, so I suggest you go watch my conversation with Manton. It was an amazing conversation. I enjoyed it a lot, and I hope you enjoy it too. Thanks for watching. See you soon.